guess we're back with you know who, and I'm not going to say the name because remember the name means to come to us. But I've got the manners minder in there. This is something that we got. We're trying to incorporate it in. Weirdly, she doesn't seem to notice what's coming out, considering she's so ravenous. Trying to incorporate that thing into our training because my friend Helen uses it. She was able to train her cat with it and everything else. Some of them are afraid of it. Anyway, so what we're working on is making her go in there and get her to have a control center around the crate. Because remember, I told you she'll get very aggressive in there. She'll get very aggressive towards the vacuum, and she'll get very aggressive if she's eating and any other dogs come over there. So I'm just going to use it as a control center. I don't have my sound box on, but basically what we're saying is that you have to go in there and remain stationary. So Stella, in, holding my pager down, in, good, good, down. My little foot tap. Good. Good. Good girl. Good. Good. I'm kind of liking this manners minder thing. You can buy them on eBay. But rather than keep going over there, it is kind of big and awkward, but Stella, good girl. So I'm not giving her the treat for coming to me just because we just started this. In. Good girl. Good girl. Good, good, good. Kind of noisy. Stella. In. Down. I think I'm kind of liking this thing. What do you think, Victoria? I've had it all this time. Victoria knows how to use it better than I do. All through. You can just release like that if we want, but then in. It's just so handy and convenient. My whole life is remote control. All through. I'm not using the name unless she's away from me. If I want to send her away, in. Kept holding my pager down. Down. guys remember we had that video a long time ago where we dropped the tree in there? All through. In. Good. Down. So remember, we're teaching them 3 basic behaviors. Come, go, and remain stationary. So this is the move away command. More updates soon.